An unknown entity, many saying this is Larry Fink and BlackRock, has accumulated $3 billion plus worth of Bitcoin over the last 3 months and is now on its way to becoming the third biggest Bitcoin holder in the world. Is this Larry Fink front-running BlackRock's own ETF? Comment your thoughts below. Like the video, support the channel. Liking our content, it's a small thing you can do, but it truly helps us grow. Let's talk about all of this, but first, some breaking altcoin news. We have a war going on for market share in the stablecoin space right now. Shopify just made a big announcement with Solana Pay. Solana Pay integrates plugin with Shopify for USDC payments. What stablecoin do you like best? Well, for Shopify, that's now USDC. Solana Pay, a decentralized payment protocol by Solana Labs, has integrated its plugin with Shopify, allowing millions of businesses on its platform to use it for payments. If you subscribe to our channel, you remember Solana Pay was launched in February of 2022 and is built on top of Layer 1 blockchain Solana. USDC, the second largest stablecoin, second to Tether with a market cap of $25.9 billion, will be the initial payment option for this integration. Going with USDC first wasn't unintentional, they say. Most merchants are probably more willing to accept something so closely tied to the dollar. Quote, USDC is also more regulated than many altcoins, but the protocol will consider adding cryptocurrencies like Sol and Bonk in the future, they say. This is significant. This is a big deal because Shopify accounts for 10% of total US e-commerce and $444 billion worth of global economic activity, according to its website. By the way, the Solana ecosystem has 11.5 million active accounts, and Solana Pay has been adopted by big crypto names like Circle and Phantom, as well as payment processors like Checkout.com and Citcon. Some people argue that the killer app for crypto hasn't arrived, but it has. It's payments. Everyone should be doubling down on this. And it seems to me that stablecoin integration is something that many players around the world are doubling down on. We reported to you yesterday that with the Coinbase Circle partnership, Coinbase buying into Circle, USDC is now launching on 6 new chains. What started out as Ethereum, now it's going to be on Solana, many others. We are witnessing major moves in the stablecoin market as several big players like PayPal, like USDC, all vying for Tether's top spot. And there's so much happening in the stablecoin space. For instance, Euro stablecoin on Solana is expected to be fully MiCA compliant. Boasting MiCA compliance means that businesses and individual users can be confident about its legitimacy related to European financial standards. I'm just saying, yes, we're in a bear market, but so much is happening behind the scenes. Let's talk about BlackRock acquiring 118,000 Bitcoin. And this is a question because truly we don't know if it's them. There's a chance it's Larry Fink and BlackRock, but we don't really know. What we do know is that this address acquired 118,000 Bitcoin over the last 3 months, $3.1 billion worth of Bitcoin. And the question is it BlackRock who's buying? We also know that there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market right now. The market is down. RSI is on levels we haven't seen since pretty much the COVID crash of 2020. And when Bitcoin's daily RSI reaches levels this low, historically speaking, it's usually a good time to buy. So ask yourself, is this time different? Record amounts of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Yet, historically, if you're looking at the data, great time to buy. Does BlackRock know this? When price collapses, it's generally good to add to your long-term bags. The last 4 times we had similar collapses seen on RSI, you could have bought Bitcoin at 32K, 25K, 17K, 15K. Regardless if this is the bottom or not, times like this, it's usually a good time to add to long-term bags. Is this what Larry Fink is doing? Aaron, you're so wrong. Bitcoin's going much lower. We're going to go back to 15K, then 14K, then 12K. Guys, Bitcoin is not going to 12K. Here's why. And ask yourself, does Larry Fink and BlackRock realize this? 93% of all Bitcoin has now been mined. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, files for a Bitcoin spot ETF. Of course, they know this. Mysterious wallet accumulates $3 billion worth of Bitcoin in just 3 months. Europe gets its first spot Bitcoin ETF. Only 6.3% of the total Bitcoin supply left is on exchanges. Bitcoin's halving is just 8 months away. Bitcoin supply shock is inevitable. This could be the final shakeout/manipulation before the real bull run begins. The next 2 to 3 months are going to be important. Don't miss the second chance. Act smart. I do want to stress that nobody knows the future. Past results don't indicate what's going to happen in the future necessarily. And it doesn't mean all-time highs are happening tomorrow. Historically, Bitcoin bear and bull cycles have all taken a similar amount of time. If history repeats, we will print new all-time highs in October 2024 and top out just over a year later. This suggests there is plenty of time left to accumulate. What do you think? And it's not just Bitcoin anymore. Ethereum, so bullish. The most bullish thing about the Ethereum burns is that it's something that cannot be faked. There's no way to fudge the ETH burn numbers, which means that you have certainty that people are indeed spending millions of dollars a day in ETH, most of which is burned, taken off the market, to use Ethereum. Make sure you make an account on Bitget, sponsor of our channel, for a chance to win over $5,000 in prizes completing different tasks. You must be outside the US to make an account. Now, big, different, new prize competition just announced. Bitget's biggest trading competition is back. Over $2.5 million in prizes to be won, including an Airbus H-135 helicopter, Tesla Cyberquad, iPhone 15 Pro Max. To be clear, this is 4 trading competitions: spot trading competition, demo trading competition, futures copy trading competition, and futures trading competition. Registration starts August 18th. Click my link below, sign up, have access to $5,000 and plus in prizes, and then enter this competition and win up to $2.5 million more. This is the official announcement on Bitget's site. Look for this page for full details on how to win in the competition schedule. Part of this awesome promotion, team up with 4 people, total of 5, and win 100 BGB tokens. You can find info for that right here. This is actually that landing page. Check it out. I mean, plenty of chances to win some major USDT and, real prizes in this competition. Bitget is a leading spot and derivative exchange, certainly one of the best places to trade. If you don't have an account, use our link below, make an account. Bitget is a top 5 derivative exchange in the world, a top 10 spot exchange in the world. They are the largest and leading spot and futures copy trading platform. They have 8 million users in more than 100 countries. They have a 300 million protection fund, second only to Binance, I believe. They do Merkle Tree proof of reserves. They partnered with Lionel Messi. Hurry up, create an account, link below. First 1,000 people who use our link get special bonuses. Buy and trade crypto at Bitget. And we're definitely not in a bear market for ETH layer 2s. Look at this growth. And, I've been having fun trying out the L2 base ecosystem. For those asking, we just hit 50 community members on our friend.tech account. Excellent discussion in that chat. They're helping me plan today's video. Search my X username and come find me. So that's Altcoin Daily IO. And this is my chart right here, looking very bullish. I made that how to onboard to base and FriendTech video like right here. So far, things are looking great. This is a current look of our group chat on FriendTech. This is still in beta. Who knows how long this FriendTech popularity will last or on-chain summer will last. Maybe just for a summer, maybe just for a matter of months, years, maybe longer, maybe shorter, who knows? And it's also very important to me on this channel to keep things real with you. So I think it's important for me to update you. 99 million worth of Avalanche tokens to be unlocked this Saturday. Token supply will grow 25% in the next year. So quite honestly, that's not the most bullish of metrics, right? Hey, subscribe to our channel, join our team. Daily updates. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency and want to stay informed on the market, subscribe to Altcoin Daily. See you tomorrow. Hey, join us at Bitcoin Amsterdam October 12th and 13th. This is an epic Bitcoin conference. Use code Altcoin Daily, 10% off tickets. Get this ticket or get this ticket. Ticket prices increase as we get closer to the event. So many awesome speakers are being added every single day. Use code Altcoin Daily for 10% off. Hope to see you there. Guys, actually, ticket prices do increase this Friday, I believe. So definitely, if you're thinking about going to this, get your tickets in the next couple of days. Use our link below, 10% off, Altcoin Daily, one word.